Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Huawei has 5 modules for the main camera of its top-end next generation smartphone and many other great features. All new details and high quality renders of the Huawei P50 Pro Plus finally revealed on the network. Yes, the highest quality render of the Huawei P50 Pro Plus smartphone has appeared on the face, the model that will lead the latest P50 line. The image is accompanied by a fairly detailed list of the characteristics, including the characteristics of the main camera. And today, we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. The smartphone looks in accordance with rumors, with the front-facing camera embedded in the center and curved display with the minimal bezels. The main camera block resembles that of the Nova 8 or Nova 8 Pro, but in this case, it is clearly divided in 2 rounded floors. The top one is given to Sony IMX707 voice sensors with 1.18-inch optical format with RYYB pixel layout, OmniVision OV64A with the ultra wide angle lens, and another RYYB sensor with a telephoto lens providing 5x optical zoom. At the bottom is a 10x optical zoom periscope module and a 3D TOF camera. At the moment, even for the flagship model, this is an exhaustive set of sensors. For example, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra cost only 3. The Huawei P50 Pro Plus camera will provide a 200x hybrid zoom. The smartphone also received Harmony OS 2.0 out of the box. Like all other models in the line, a 6.7-inch screen with a frame rate of 120 Hz and a polling rate of a touch layer of 300 Hz, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of flash memory. Full protection from dust and water in accordance with the degree of IP68. A battery with the capacity of 4800 mAh. The Kirin 9000 will act as a single chip system by itself or in one of the versions. For example, the Kirin 9000L. Huawei simply has no other options at the moment. On the other hand, according to the second source, Huawei P50 Pro retains the curved display. The smartphone was shown in the image of a 3D model. Yes, one of the users of the Chinese social network Vivo published a fragment image of the 3D model of the Huawei P50 Pro smartphone. This user is also the owner of the accessory store, covers, films and protective glosses, which easily explains his access to the 3D model of the new flagship Huawei. The leaked image confirms the presence of a curved screen in the P50 Pro, and only for some reason, the user did not upload image full length. The front camera is not visible, but it will be embedded and placed in the center, like most flagships of this year. Recall that rumors attribute to the Huawei P50 smartphones a Sony IMX800 image sensor of an optical format about 1 inch with an RYYB pixel layout. The base model of the series is expected to use the Kirin 9000L SoC. The Huawei P50 Pro is credited with the Kirin 9000E SoC, and the top P50 Pro Plus will be built on the Kirin 9000. The premiere of the Huawei P50 line will take place on June 17, and on June 2nd, the company will present the flagship tablet, MatePad Pro 2 and smartwatches Huawei Watch 3 and Watch 3 Pro. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
It sound right, boys.